What's up, everybody? Tonight we're making mashed sweet potatoes. So, cheers and let's cook. I got my oven preheating to 400 degrees. And now I'm going to take a fork and just poke holes all around these sweet potatoes. We poked our potatoes. Now we're going to wrap them in tin foil and then get those onto a sheet tray. We're all wrapped up, so now it's time to go into our 400-degree oven for about 45 minutes or until they are super fork tender. It should slide right in and out. Our potatoes baked for about an hour, and now they are very tender. So, I'm going to take them, just peel that skin. Skin peels off super easy. And then we're going to go into our mixing bowl. Now to our mixing bowl, we're going to add 5 tablespoons of butter, have a tablespoon and a half of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, that is 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. We're going to go with some salt. I'm going to start with about 2 teaspoons of salt. Time to mix it up. Got that onto my mixer. I'm going to add my whisk attachment. And now we're just going to whip those until they are nice and smooth. Our sweet potatoes are nicely whipped, so we're just going to pop that open and give it a little taste. Check our salt. It's on point. Don't need to add anything. We are ready to go. I'm going to get these guys into a bowl, and it's time to eat. Now to serve, I like to just do some fresh thyme leaves and a couple slabs of butter for a garnish, and you are ready to go. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.